So it'll be 3 alignments.
Okay.
Okay? Just want to let you know. And the control arms, I have an idea how much it is. And the labor is about 2.5 hours of labor to do that. Instead of the labor. Arms labor tax is coming up about $850. The arms are $189.95. Taxes, so the parts are $379.90. Tax is $37.04. Labor is $437.50. You come up with $850. I'll make it $800. Okay. I'll give you $56 basically. That one needs to be done because what's going to happen when you're driving like that? It's going to damage your tires again.
Well, I'll have to wait a little while because I have to get that money.
Yeah, sure. No, I'll put it on the recommendation for you.
Okay.
So, front.
Thanks for the estimate.
With tax, today, 800. How's that?
Okay.
I'm a good man. Instead of $850 something. And alignment, as I said, they'll do it for free.
Okay.
So if you do the control arms, they're going to realign it to you. You already paid for the alignment, so you're fine. So you're not going to get charged for the alignment.
All right. I'll think about it.
Please do, and let me know one day ahead of time when you call. So I'll have the parts here. That way we don't need to wait.
All right.